Hello foodie, I wish you a healthy day and enjoy and cookery. Today we will enjoy the green mango salad. Now I prepare the shrimp. So for the shrimp, you need to bend the head, and when you see the vein, you just hold the vein and you take it off. So only the fresh shrimp you can do this. If it's not fresh, you cannot see the vein because it's already broken. So first you need to bend the head, and when you see the vein like this, and you hold the vein and you pull it, so you get off all the vein in the back of the shrimp. Again, you see, now this one is bigger and black. So keep continuing to do all the rest. See, it's the back vein. And you keep the shell to boil the shrimp to keep the juice. So don't take off the shell before you boil. You lose the juice. Now we boil the shrimp and the pork. So for the pork you use the pork shoulder or the pork belly, depending on what you like. And you need to keep the whole piece of the pork. You boil it first and slice it later. And when you boil anything, just add some salt in to add the flavor. So I use the same pot to boil the pork and the shrimp. So I boil the pork first, then add the shrimp later. So after 7 minutes, I use a chopstick to check if still blood on it. So if no more blood come out, it means the pork ready. So you can pick the pork out. So after about 7 to 10 minutes, and use the same pot to boil the shrimp. So for shrimp is at about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. That's enough for boiling the shrimp. So now I just pick it out. Shrimp ready. Now slice the pork. So for the pork you slice it not too thin and not too thick, so just about half of 1 centimeter. So like this. It's still hot. And for the shrimp, now you peel the skin off, take off the shell, just like this. It's easy, easy to get off the shell. And now it's ready for the salad. And for the dressing sauce, we use fresh chili, some garlic. Same for most of the dressing sauce for the salad. And we pound for the chili and garlic crush. Then we add the fish sauce and sugar, and stir for the sugar dissolve in the fish sauce. And then we add the lemon juice or lemon juice in. So same as what I did before, I do the scale with fish sauce, sugar and lemon juice. It's 2, 2 and 1. 2 fish sauce, 2 sugar and 1 lemon juice. So that is my recipe for the dressing sauce, and that make it very well balanced. So you can follow this, or you can add more or less sugar, depend on your taste and your prefer. So up to you. But if you want to try exactly the Vietnamese recipe like what I do, you can do my recipe first and then you see it. This is green mango, so the same fruit but unripe. So this is sour and crunchy. So you can use the green apple instead. So if you don't have the green mango, you can use the green apple. You just need the fruit is sour and crunchy. So I think green apple is you can do that instead of the green mango. And now just peel all the skin off. Just peel off all the green So if you want it more crunchy, you can put the mango and carrot in the ice for 15 minutes, and then you do this for the salad, so this will more crunchy. This is ready, huh? So now we just grate it. To grate the mango. So I use about half of mango. This is a very useful tool. You can do peeling, grate. Also you can do mince stuff. So this amount, this is enough for my salad. Now we'll prepare the carrot. So this carrot I do for the beef salad before, so this left now I use for the green mango salad. Also you grate it into the mango. So you always use the carrot for the salad, extra the color, very nice color. Now have some mint. So this is a Vietnamese mint. I use 3 different mint for the salad. This is a Vietnamese mint. It's very nice flavor for also you eat with the seafood. You use this one. And this is the Thai basil. Thai basil is common for phở, for the Hanoi noodle soup. And this is the spearmint, normal mint. So if you have all 3, you can use 3, but if you don't have, you can use what kind of mint you like. Now you just tear the mint leaf. You can break it to bring the flavor. Break the leaf about 2-3. Also when you take the mint leaf off, you tear it. So you not need to break it afterward. Just tear it now, so it get some flavor come off. Very nice. And depend on how much mint you like, you can put it in. Depend on your taste, your prefer. Thai basil is very nice flavor. So break it about 3 to get the flavor. So this is the amount of the mint I add for my salad. Here it's ready for green mango salad. Now you just mix it all for all combine well. Mango, carrot and mint combine well. This is ready for the salad. Let's see. Now we set the salad on a plate. It's almost done now. Should prepare enough amount for you. I just try to make it look nice. Looking is important. And the shrimp, the pork ready now. So you just add the fish sauce, dipping sauce on the shrimp and pork first, to get the pork and the shrimp absorb some spice. And now you add the fish sauce, dipping sauce on the salad. So depend on how much you like, you can add a little bit first now, and then when you eat later, if you want more you can add more, because not sure you can eat the fish sauce a lot like Vietnamese people. So you need to careful to pour the fish sauce on the salad. It's not salty now, but it's just a bit fishy for people who doesn't like the fish sauce. Now you mix the pork and shrimp with the sauce before we add on the salad. Just mix well for all with the spice. So with this step, later when you eat, you not need to dip in a fish sauce to all get the flavor. And now I set all the shrimp and pork on a salad. Also, I will try to make sure it look nice with decoration, because looking is very important for Vietnamese food. Looking first, taste later. You have to find the best way to serve it. It all look very nice, huh? Very colorful. And you have to remember again, I told you before about the salad, why we use the green mango, because the green mango is sour. So if you don't have proper green mango, you can use any other fruit that's sour and crunchy. That's what the purpose for the green mango salad. So it's look very good actually. And you add some roasted peanut, and you can enjoy it now. So for this one, we eat with the prawn cracker or rice cracker, whatever you like and whatever you have. So if you want, you can have a look again. This is how the salad look like, and of course it's delicious, I'm sure. Take a look how it's like. Shrimp juicy, pork juicy, colorful. So thank you for stay connected with Anh Cookery. I wish you enjoy it and can make it at home like what I do. To enjoy the salad, we just mix the salad with the salt in the bottom and add on a cracker, the prawn cracker, and take a bite. It's amazing.